Your email banner is the first thing your customers see, and a great banner draws the reader in, communicates your message, and reinforces your brand.
I'm Darlene, this is London, and we're going to talk about how to create beautiful banners for your email marketing.
First, a few design tips. If you're just starting out, your banner doesn't have to be elaborate. Keep it simple. Just a photo with a text overlay, your company logo, or your company name in big bold letters.
When cropping and sizing your banner image, make sure that it fills the full width of the email. In GoDaddy Email Marketing, the banner image should be 590 pixels wide.
Now, if your banner uses a photo with a text overlay, make sure you have enough contrast between the text and the image so that your text is clearly legible.
And remember, whatever you choose, always make sure that your banner aligns with the vibe of your business and brand. So if you're selling organic baby food, maybe a neon logo on a black background isn't the best choice for your banner.
As an email marketing newbie and a busy online entrepreneur, having one universal banner for each email type should be enough to get you started, and possibly all you may ever need.
However, as you become more comfortable creating banners or maybe have some extra coin to hire a designer, creating unique banners for each email type can be an effective way to increase customer engagement or click-through rates.
For example, if you're sending a promotional email, your banner might include a product-specific photo, a discount amount, coupon code, or even a call to action button to shop now.
Okay, so you might not want to include all those things in your banner at once. So check out your favorite retailer's latest email promo and you'll get a better idea of what we mean.
Banners are usually created with photo editing tools and then exported as image files. And there are a lot of online banner creation tools, and some are free. So do some research and find out what you need that suits you best.
If you're looking for some visual inspiration, check out your competitors or other industry emails. Pinterest is also a great resource, or designer marketplaces like Behance or Dribbble. But be sure to use them to spur your creativity. Copying is still not cool.
Lastly, a fast-loading banner is a beautiful thing. To keep your file size to a minimum and maintain image quality, save your file as a JPEG.
Even better, after you've saved a banner, try a free online compression tool so you can shrink it even more without sacrificing quality.
And that's a little bit about how to create a beautiful banner. I'm London, and this is Darlene. See you next time.